Welcome back to another episode of Dad's Den Tech Reviews, where our goal is to help you work smarter, not harder. We review everyday items that you might purchase on Amazon to determine whether or not we think they are worth the price. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the MOVO smartphone video rig. And as always, everything that we review here at Dad's Den Tech Review will be down in the description. You guys can click that link, check it out further, get more information. And if you want to purchase the item, you can click on that and go purchase the item. As always, we start with what's in the box, then we get to design and features, and then we get to the actual product testing. So here we go. So it comes with this lanyard, and I'm assuming this is for knuckleheads like me who like to drop things. You just put this on that way when you're filming. If you drop it, it swings and it doesn't break. It comes with a 360-degree rotating phone mount. Comes with the rig here, has rubber grips here, which is actually very ergonomic and very nice. It also comes with two cold shoe mounts, which is really cool, because for my phone, I actually have a light and I have a microphone. So that is a great setup. So I've attached my phone here just so you can kind of see the rig's layout, because I want to talk about another feature. It comes with two levels, which is really nice. Tell you whether or not you're level as you're filming. Another feature that I don't think people appreciate is the fact that you can mount this onto a tripod. You can mount it from here. You can mount it from here. You can even mount it from here if you want to do it that way. As I'm holding this, I can tell that this is actually made very well. I'm pulling it back and forth here.
I'm the dude.
It's made out of aluminum, very lightweight aluminum. Enough messing around with this. Let's go outside and let's get some video footage and let's check it out. And just so you know, all the footage you're going to be seeing is coming from my iPhone 12 Pro. So anytime that you're filming with a rig like this or any type of gimbal, you want to walk from, if you're going backwards, toe to heel, gives you a little bit smoother. Forward, you want to go heel to toe. That way it gives you the smoothest possible action that you can. When you run, obviously we're going to do a little jog test here to see how this looks. But again, if you're going to be shooting with a rig like this now and you want to do like a nice pan shot, lock your elbows in. This is just a pro tip here. Lock your elbows in, hold on to the gimbal. This bird's up here. Thanks for all the noise, appreciate it. All right, so you're just going to lock your elbows in like this, and then you're just going to rotate your hips. And it'll give you a smooth pan like that, okay? All right, let's get back into the studio and let's finish this review. So after seeing this in action, what are your guys' thoughts? Do you guys think that you could actually use this in your repertoire? Do you guys think you could use this on a daily basis for vlogging or for anything else that you're actually trying to do? So as far as the usability with this, I actually really like this. Very comfortable, easy to manipulate, easy to handle, easy to move around. I like it because you got the, you can lock your elbows in here and get some really steady footage as you're going around. I like that you could switch from vertical to horizontal, super easy. Just flip it, rotate it, tighten it back up. Everything about this is just really, really easy to use, and it's actually really comfortable. And I think that's the most important part when it comes to rigs and when you're filming. You want to be comfortable. You don't want to be out there holding me like, oh, I'm so tired, it's so heavy. You want it to be lightweight. You want it to be versatile. You want to be able to move. You want to be able to run if you want to run with it. And the width of it and everything else wasn't too far out, wasn't too close in. And again, you can use this with an iPhone or any Android or any smartphone. So as far as pricing on this is currently selling on Amazon for $39.95. And again, I will leave a link down in the description to this if you guys want to purchase it or just look more into it. You guys can click that link, follow the link, and it'll tell you more about the item itself. But when I'm comparing this for $39.95 to other rigs that I'm finding on Amazon, they rank anywhere from about $39.95 all the way to about $100. This is definitely on the lower end of that as far as a budget rig goes, which is fantastic. For $39.95, you get all of these shoe mounts. I forgot to mention that you actually get shoe mounts here and here as well. You get the levels, comfortability, the aluminum frame, which is not going to break at all. I'll tell you that much. You throw this thing and it won't break. Don't throw it with your phone in there. That's a bad idea. For $39.95, definitely I would recommend this purchase. And more importantly, gets the Dad's Den stamp of approval. So now that you know that it's got the Dad's Den stamp of approval, again, link is down in the description. You guys can click on that. You guys can go purchase this item or just go check it out more. Also, there's other items below that we use, different rigs, different things that we are currently using here at Dad's Den Tech Reviews. You guys can check those out as well. Leave a comment down below. Do you use a rig? And if you do, what are you using? What do you like about it? What you don't like about it? I want to hear from you now. All right, that is going to wrap up today's review. Thank you guys so much for being here. And don't forget, work smarter, not harder. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.